In this session, let us learn about catch, character, class, continued, default keywords. Catch keyword. The catch keyword catches exceptions generated by try statements. The catch statement allows you to define a block of code to be executed if an error occurs in the try block. See the example. If an error occurs, use try catch to catch the error and execute some code to handle it. See, if we write in using this code catch keyword, the result returns is something went wrong. Character keyword. The character keyword is a data type that is used to store a single character. The character value must be surrounded by single quotes like capital letter or small letter. See, by writing and executing this code, the result returns is. Java class keyword. The class keyword is used to create a class. Every line of code that runs in Java must be inside a class. A class should always start with the uppercase first letter, and the name of the Java file must match the class name. See here, by using or executing this code using class keyword, the result returns is. A class is like an object constructor. See the example below to how we can use it to create an object. This is example for object. Create an object of main called myObject and print the value of x. If you write and executing this code by using myObject method, see the result printed is 5. Java continue keyword. The continue keyword is used to end the current iteration in a for loop or a while loop and continues to the next iterations. Skip the iteration if variable I is for, but continue with the next iterations. See here, if we write and execute this code by using continue keyword, the result returns is 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See another example. Use the continue keywords in a while loop. Now we are using in while loop. See the continue method. 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 printed. Java default keyword. The default keyword, the default block of code in a switch statement. The default keyword specifies some code to run if there is no case match in the switch. Note, if the default keyword is used at the last statement in a switch block, it does not need a break. Specify some code to run if there is no case match in a switch block. See, if we write and execute this code, the output result returns is. Looking forward to the weekend. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 55, catch, char, class, continue, default keywords. In next video, let us learn about another topic, do, double, else, enum, extend keywords. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.